intelligent. I could have missed this catch. I could have missed it. Over here, I have a 500 euro. So I'm going to shop. You guys watch the Christmas shopping. Don't say this woman, because I'm using free money. No way you are using free money to shop. Let's get ready. Pancake, breakfast. Hello, people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Lucy Baby Mommy Vlogger base in Italy. So, guys, over here I have my meat pie. Here I have 21 pieces of meat pie. Then here I still have a mini pie. No. So that is it. Happy Christmas in advance. So guys, can you see my small decor? This year is simple decor because we're not going to be around. So this one that is here is the one I'm selling, but the one is in the oven is for my children. So guys, that is I just made a 21 pieces. There's no time, and baby Alex is not feeling fine. I wanted to open it to you guys to see, but if I open it minus, so my next I will open so that you guys will see it. So let me show you. Can you see? Can you see how crunchy? To the back. Feel them well. This is the first bite. Not too crocanty. So that is it. So I will go on now. This one is too hot. Too hot. Crunchy Nigerian yoko meat pie. So guys, I wanted to, don't worry, you'll be hearing the noise. Baby Alex is not feeling fine. I have fever, cough, So this evening he's going to see his doctor. Okay, sorry guys. I was saying that to avoid editing, not uploading video every day, I decided to uploading in my shorts 2 minutes or 3, but I discovered that the advert is not playing there. I said, let me change. Let me start making full video, so that one change and time we quickly receive change in a Christmas. So that is it. So I'll be uploading one video, maybe 5 minutes or 6 minutes. It will not be long video. So that is it. Good morning, guys. Let's make pancake. So, guys, I'm ready for work. Baby Alex half cold. You can see the way he's breathing. So here I have my brown sugar. I have my flour. So guys, I change. This one is taking time. I don't have time. I'm going to work. So guys, today we are going to do massive shopping because I received this card, you know, for shopping. Bonus la spesa. I can make this card there. Open a mad too intelligent. I could have missed this card. I could have missed it. Over here, I have a 500 euro. So I'm going to shop. You guys watch the Christmas shopping. Don't say this woman, because I'm using free money. No way you are using free money to shop to do shopping. I will shop and finish the whole money that is inside before 16 December. Though, you can use it till February. You know, Italian people, they are good, If you see what I went through to have this card, because some people they are giving them every year, but they just gave me once, yes. Then I discovered that when you can do, then they don't assistant social line, So if card this year, asị m ka m check enye m nọmba m kpọọ nọmba ozugbo asị nwaanyị na-asụ ịtala ọfụma ọ bụghị na-asụ ịtala ọfụma onwe ife mana eresiv ife niile na-eresiv n'obodo ofe ozugbo afọ m bụ onye dị otu I heard that na assistant social m kpọ unu na ọ dị ka afọ m adịkwa na list ndị enye this year wee check esi m yes m ga kaadị nje bupụta kaadị amụrụ m kaadị nche bupụta I don't even know that ọ bụrụ dị kaadị ka m na-etinye so ncheke dị kaadị na post asị m na ego adịrị ya. So the woman, what the woman saying, "Go now. You need to receive this money. Go to police and tell them that you lost your card. Okay, I will go police. Not just police. You will name the Musha. We go to post office. We name the card. That is it. Follow me to thank God. 500 euro for shopping, Christmas shopping. Period." So I have my zucchero. This is zucchero veil. Okay. Okay. Let's get ready. Pancake, breakfast. I'm running late. Chidima will continue. Annabelle will continue because I'm running late. So that is it. We are done. It's just for Chidima and the Alex. Others are in the school. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Ciao. See guys, I'm in Niger market. I think I will be taking this one or this one. I don't know. This one. I don't know whether this one is okay. So cheap. I don't know how much is it. So guys, I want to take this one, fried rice, for my fried rice, I haven't used it before. Let me take one of these. Go with more. So I'm also taking yam. So guys, follow the supermarkets.